Back to my YouTube channel finastrocycles.com. My name is Nitin Bhandari and we'll see the what is the latest update on Nifty and Bank Nifty and what's happening with respect to the cycle. So let's start with the Bank Nifty. So in my last update, I spoke about Bank Nifty making a top and not able to cross this Jupiter and Uranus line. And we have seen that it has been almost 7 sessions that it has not crossed this Jupiter Uranus line. Was a very strong resistance point and it failed, and then it started a uh, drop. So it has dropped 500, 600 points from that high, but it's not a big enough drop. And Nifty continue to make a new high, and Bank Nifty is not making a new high. That's another divergence I spoke about. So what can happen next? So the WD Gann mentioned in his book 45 Years of Wall Street that any market which is going to top, it has to make consecutive three lower lows. So here also the Bank Nifty has not made any kind of such pattern where it has made a three consecutive lower lows. So this low was lower than this low, but this candle was inside candle, and then it has made. So this is not a great bearish pattern, but at the same time, it is not making a high also. So there is a possibility that it could retrace back to this whole cycle from here to this point here, and that could point to it can drop to 35,000. If it is a bullish one, it will not break below 35,070 to 34,518. So it should stall in this range. It should not go below this range. So max it could go to 34,518. uh, Below that, then there is a serious correction coming. So then the cycles will change. So for now, it looks like it is coming off. It is not showing a great pattern. It is underperforming the broader market. So which means something is wrong with this market. What is happening to the Nifty now? So Nifty continue to make a new high, and it made a new high from this cycle start. So if I remove this and I put it again, so you'll be able to understand that this is my cycles count. And from this count to this count, this was a first point reversal, and it was exactly uh, the market was exactly making a high on this reversal day, and now it has started retracing, but still it is not a great pullback. And here again, the theory of Gann, three consecutive lower lows and fourth day breaking the low, then there will be serious sell off. But overall, with respect to cycles, I have been mentioning from since this point that there is a correction due, a sharp 2 to 10 days or up to 2 weeks correction is due. It is not due, it is overdue now, which should happen for a healthy bull market. What is happening astrologically? Astrologically, there is no aspect today, tomorrow. The only aspect which is coming is a new moon, Amavasya on the sol, and which is a solar eclipse also on Thursday. And then Friday, Mars is changing a sign into Leo, and Sun conjunct Mercury is also there. So these are all important reversal aspects, and there is expectation a lot of volatility will be there on Thursday and Friday. So this was a quick update on Nifty and Bank Nifty with respect to cycles and Gann and astrology. There is let's see what happens on the eclipse day, and that will give the further direction. But overall, the markets are looking tired. Markets are looking exhausted, and there is a sharp correction due in the market. uh, Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for liking these videos. Thank you for sharing with other people. Thank you so much.